Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we have another lovely prize for you. This is a 1960 BSA A7 500cc, and you can win this motorcycle for just £2. It's on our website, it's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. What I'm going to do now is wheel it over here by a lovely hedge, and I'll show you how to start it. If you do win it, it's a nice little video for the winner so they know what to do. So first thing we need to do is turn our taps on, which they're already on, which is just pulling them out into this position. There's a choke here. It's loose cable choke, so that needs to be up. So that's choke on. Then on the left-hand side of the carb, we've got a tickler, a plunger, and that just needs to be primed until some fuel goes on your finger. There's no ignition. So runs off the mag, which generates the spark when you kick it. So hopefully I'll just take a few kicks, maybe a bit of throttle, and should fire up. See, it's cold. There we are, nice and easy. Still got a good bit of compression for a 500cc twin. It's an iron head, so it's quite nice and quiet. The iron head insulates the sound compared to an alley head machine. What I'll do, I'll give you a little listen. I'll just turn the choke off a little bit. It just needs a bit of warming up, and then that will clear and stop backfiring as much. But yeah, really nice example. Looks like an older restoration. The paint looks really good in this deep burgundy sort of colour. It's an earlier model with the nacelles, very nice 50s machine. Sounds like it might cut out. But yeah, I love the sound of these British twins. Very nice. So yeah, like I said, tickets are £2 for this one. If you fancy one, go to the website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and good luck if you enter.